Oh, hi everyone. I'm going to show you how you can install mobile VR Station on your Meta Quest. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go into the store. Alright, then we need to do search. Alright, we definitely need the search box. Okay, so now you need to type in mobile space VR Station. So MOBILE space VR space STATION. Oops. And mobile VR Station. Enter. You have to search for the exact phrase because it's not going to show up here in apps. You got to scroll down a little bit, and it says App Lab 10 Plus. So click on View App. All right, and now here is the mobile VR Station. And then once you get into here, it'll give you this little warning because this is a App Lab app, so it's not been officially approved by the MetaQuest, but they have let it into their store. All right, and then you can just use the button in the corner to then install the app. All right, thank you.